It is pretty common for visitors of this island to snap photos and record videos while they are on vacation. But some tourists are taking it to a whole new level, which lends itself very well for material for our next story. Take a look. No one can deny the beauty of Aruba. The island has plenty of natural attractions and landmarks that encourage visitors to keep their cameras and recording devices busy while on vacation. But Jeremy Oblin from Washington, D.C. is taking it to new heights, literally, with a consumer drone.
I can fly about 6 miles away. The camera from the drone streams live to my cell phone, which is attached to the controller. So as I'm flying, I can see everything that the camera can see. So you can fly much farther away than you can see the drone, although you're not supposed to do that.
One of the sites Jeremy visited was the natural pool. The college student plans on taking Aruba's beauty back home with him to his dorm room after developing the photos in large format. He will also share with his family. For the California Lighthouse, the drone was programmed to circle the landmark and keep it in the center of the frame throughout the flight. The goal was to capture the lighthouse in its entirety.
I brought this here because Aruba has so many beautiful beaches and other attractions. Flying the drone in the air gives you a very unique perspective and another opportunity to observe Aruba's beauty.
The gadget is also very functional when it comes to facing some of Aruba's natural elements.
Definitely the range. Being able to fly so far away is really unique. It's also able to withstand the winds.
And Aruba's windy.
Yeah, Aruba is really, really windy. So it's nice that I don't have to worry about it flying away or losing control. It gives me a map of where I've flown.
Oh,
so
nice.
Here, you'll find this cool. This is the whole flight path for what I did today.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah.
Jeremy says drones can be very dangerous for local airports, so users must check every country's regulation on drones before flying them. Where location permits, you should still exercise caution.
I bring this drone when it's permitted. Some places you're not allowed to fly a drone. The drone gives you a bird's eye view, which is very unique. The only other way to really observe that would be through a helicopter, which isn't really accessible. So I've been to Colorado, I've been to the Rocky Mountains, I've been to some other beaches, and I always bring this there. It makes for some really incredible photos.
Incredible photos indeed, courtesy to Jeremy for the breathtaking images and videos of our home during his holiday.